So, welcome to the next tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Divine Intel Expert robot from the GitHub channel and how to include it into your MetaTrader 5 trading app. So let's go straight to our videos. If you are watching this video right now, let's go there. Fxchat. The channel. So if you're watching this video right now, you just click on the description below the video and you will see download from GitHub, from this GitHub address. Click on the address and that will lead you to this page where you will have the Divine Intel Experts. Please make sure you read the README attached to this folder before proceeding with the downloading. After reading the README, you know the differences between the different variants of the Trading Experts robot. Click on that folder, and that will lead you to this page. So just to add a few comments to what you already read, the basic one is Divine Intel robot is strictly for scalpers, for those who have all the time to sit with their laptops and to watch every signal that pops up and to make trading decisions based on the signal. But the basic two is designed for both scalpers and long-term traders. So that allows you a certain degree of freedom to do some other things, because you have access to signal from 1 minute from 1 hour, from 4-hour time frame, and trading at this higher time frame gives you a certain level of freedom and flexibility to do some other things, to use your time for some other things, while still trading and making profit from using the Divine Intel robot. So, and in addition to, both of these robots are free to use. There are no initial subscription fee. It is based on pay as you profit basis, strictly based on pay as you make profit basis. So you can download any of the Intels and then make sure you also register for the appropriate subscription through your Fxchat app. By the way, you first have to do your registration, download the Fxchat mobile app, register and confirm your email, because you would require that email and an API key that will be supplied to you through the Fxchat platform to log into this Divine Intel robot basic 1 or basic 2 gateways. So the Fxchat platform is our community. It's our community. We want to be as discreet as possible with our resources. So we have created this community to allow us to interact, and at the private level, not to interfere with the larger world. So do well to, if you're not ready to be a part of that community, I'm sorry, you would not be able to have access to these trading resources. So click on any of these experts and then come to the right hand corner of this page. You would see an icon that says download raw file. Click on the icon and this file will be downloaded to your laptop. You can do the same thing also for the basic 2 expert. So after downloading, you head back to your device. But I think we should end this video right here and begin a new one. So in the next video, I will show you how to copy that what you have downloaded from the download folder, to integrate it with your MetaTrader 5 platform, and how to begin your trading journey. See you in the next video.